Hello, kitchen enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the world of amazing kitchen gadgets that you can find on Amazon, whether you're a seasoned chef or just love spending time in the kitchen. These tools are sure to make your cooking experience a breeze. Links of all gadgets in the video are given below in the description. So let's get started. Baking day just got faster with the PrepWorks Quick Sifter. Simply turn the handle on this clever flour sifter to aerate 2 cups of flour. The sifted flour goes directly into the removable canister, perfect for cookies, or detach the container and sift flour right into your St. Hand mixer to instantly incorporate air for cakes or bread with its unique gears. You get light and fluffy flour in half the cranks, so your baked goods rise beautifully. Skip the sticky mess of mincing garlic and let the PL8 garlic mincer do the work for homemade pasta sauce, salad dressing, marinades, and more. Just add unpeeled cloves and squeeze the soft handles to force the garlic through the grid of blades, instantly chopping into perfect tiny cubes. Catch the garlic in the container or sprinkle it straight from the miner into sizzling olive oil. Infuse recipes with pungent garlic flavor, minus sticky fingers, and clean up. The PrepWorks Chop and Whip lets you chop veggies for fresh salsa, whipped cream for pie, and everything in between. Adjust to chop mode for quick bursts of speed to finely dice onions, tomatoes, and cilantro. Switch to whip for airy whipped cream or smooth salad dressing emulsions. The soft grip lid and non-skid base keep ingredients securely inside, while the stainless steel blades work their magic. Enjoy custom textures and hands-free mixing for all your recipes. Rinsing fruits, draining pasta, and defrosting foods is now simpler with the Prep Solutions 1.5Q collapsible hand strainer. Extend the handle up to 10 inches over any sink, securing it safely in place with non-slip feet. Drain boiling water or run cold water over ingredients. Hands-free, then collapse it nearly flat for compact storage. Fuzzy handheld cherry tomato slicing is over this plastic zip slicer container. Safety cuts 5 tomatoes or grapes at once for even pieces ready for snacking or garnish. Place the fruit or veg in the channels and pull the soft grip handle to engage the concealed blade housed inside, slicing cleanly through produce for perfect portions. The non-skid base keeps it steady on C-counters during use. Enjoy quick, easy slicing without the knife's danger and mess. Keep parsley, cilantro, and other fresh herb bunches perky longer with the compact PrepWorks Herb Keeper. Place trimmed herb stems in the basket and fill the base reservoir with enough water to hydrate stems. Asparagus spears stay crisp longer too. The slim container fits neatly on the counter or refrigerator shelf, taking up minimal space while keeping herbs fresh for over 2 weeks. Simply lift the basket to expose the silicone plug and refill the water as needed through multiple uses. Chop onions, peppers, herbs, and more to customize the size you need for recipes with the Prep Solutions Rotary Food Chopper. Just place ingredients in the container and twist the lid sharply to engage the zigzag stainless steel blades. They pulverize foods into tiny pieces evenly. The sweeper arm ensures all ingredients contact the blade's chop and contain foods neatly right in the BPA-free plastic container to transfer to pans or bowls afterward. Save time prepping ingredients with a quickly chopped texture ideal for soup, salad, salsa, and more. Transported to Italy with fresh handmade pasta from this quality stainless steel pasta machine. Feed dough through the smooth rollers on setting 06 to knead, and thin sheets for line and lasagna, and more cut fatine spaghetti and lignon to desired widths using included shaping attachments. Master the art of pasta fresca with recipes and shaping tips. Impress guests with a light, tender noodles flavored in perfect sauces for a taste of Italy without leaving home. Keep spices like paprika, turmeric, and cinnamon tasty and personalized min sizes. Simply push the shaker tab on the silicone lid after scooping the desired spice inside. Measurements on the container allow perfect pinch. The tight suction seal keeps humidity out and locks freshness. Organize herbs za'atar on the sliding grid with compact storage and sealed freshness. You can conveniently access spice wand, required mess or staleness. Make healthier bacon in minutes right in your microwave. The PrepWorks Bacon Grill holds bacon elevated above the drip tray, so fat drips away while the strips cook. Evenly arrange 7 to 9 strips of bacon on the ridge surface. The grill catches grease you can discard easily, while the bacon becomes crispy wave. Goodbye to greasy skillets and splatters. It's also great for reheating pizza and fries and more conveniently. Unleash your inner artist with the food decorating set. Simply fill the squeezable tubes with melted chocolate caramel yogurt or any drizzling medium. Twist the tip to one of 3 decorator tips: thin round, thick round, or zigzag. Then decorate to your heart's content. Drizzle beautiful designs on cakes. Outline cupcakes, add fun shapes to pancakes or waffles, or creatively garnish desserts. Microwave and freezer safe the tubes. Make melting chocolate butter. Cream or sauce is a cinch. And since everything's dishwasher safe, cleanup is fast too. Whether you're a novice baker or aspiring food stylist, this decorating set makes dazzling desserts fun and easy. Crank out piles of fresh cut fries without all the knife work using the 2-in-1 French fry cutter. Just add a scrubbed rusted potato and push the handle to create perfect fry shapes. Remove the grid to switch slice settings from crinkle cut to classic straight cut style fries. An internal catch tray prevents cut potatoes from scattering for less mess. Safely slicing potatoes into uniform fries has never been faster. Kids can even help prep by operating the easy squeeze handle. Enjoy homemade fries and chips in minutes with this handy tool. Stop guessing freezer portion sizes with the freezer portion pod tray. Fill each segment with 2 ounces broth, sauce, pesto, or leftover servings. A spill-proof lid lets you neatly stack filled trays with worrying about freezer burns or icicles. When ready to use, simply twist the tray to pop out frozen cubes. Defrost single or multiple portions as needed. The durable plastic construction won't crack in extreme temps. Pop cooked rice, chili, pasta, sauce, chicken, or veggie stock into freezer portion pods for ready when you are ingredients at your fingertips. You can find the links of all these gadgets in the description. If you want to buy them, you can go there and check it out. So guys, please thumbs up, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon to get updates about my all upcoming videos.